Okay, bro. So, about the minor seventh, I showed you. Okay, the major and the minor seven. I told you this was a major seven, and this is the minor seven. Okay. So why is it minor seven like this? This this is the root, the saw, the tor, and the more. That makes it a minor seventh chord. So mostly it's mostly used on it's mostly used on the jazz section. Okay, mostly used on the jazz section. So if you are playing a minor seven, let's say for instance you're playing a kind of 2-5-1 progressions. Okay, 2-5-1 progression. If you're starting from a C minor 7 like this, C minor 7. Let's imagine that this is your 2. Re, no, this is your re. Okay, let's say re do. Okay, so now this is a key of B flat. Okay, this is a key of B flat. So if you want to play that, this should be the saw. The saw is on the F. So if you have your C here, this should be your do. Okay, let's say we are on the B key of B flat now. This is the key of B flat. So this is your do, re, mi, fa, si. Open note. Open note. Okay. So now this is your do, ti, so do, ti, la, so. Okay, so now the saw is in the key of F. Okay, so now you have your re. Your re is a 2 note. Your saw is a 5th note. Then your do is a 1 note. I guess you understand that. So if you want to say 2-5-1 progression, this is where you come in with a C minor 7. It's just like playing re. Normally this should be your re chord, but in the jazzy way, okay, in the jazzy way, it doesn't play it that way. You can play the C minor 7. Okay. Now, your saw is a major note. Saw is a major note, which is a saw chord. Okay, to that B flat, to your do chord. So saw is a major note, while re is a minor note. So if you want to play your F here, you're going to play your F in major 7th, not in minor 7, just like playing your C minor 7. C minor 7. Your saw chord would be major 7. So now how do you play your major 7? This is your major 7. Okay, let me see how I can hold it so you can understand. This is your do. Okay, this is your do. Your T will make it major 7. I don't know if you understand me, because this is do va chord now. Sorry, saw chord now, and the saw is in the key of F. Okay, so if you want to play it, you're going to play the major bar. Normally a major bar F chord. Okay, but since it's a jazzy way, okay, you're going to play it jazzy way also. So instead you improvise it to a major 7th. Okay, the major 7th is you add your T. This should be your do. So this will be your do, T, So now you place your first finger on the root there, okay, while your index finger will go to the saw on the second string. Then your ring finger go to the T there. Your pinky go to the Mi under. Okay. That gives you a major seventh. Okay. That's your F major 7. Then now you can come to your Do. This is your Do now. Your Do is in the B flat. So this should be your normal B flat chord. Okay. Okay, you're gonna play it a kind of a B flat 7. Okay, B flat major 7. Okay, so most time the minor 7 chord is always when you are on your Mi chord, your Re chord, or your La chord. Those 3 notes that are minor notes. Okay, you can improvise it. Okay, or you can sub it as a minor 7th chord. Okay, you can sub it as a minor 7th chord, just like a C minor 7, go to F major 7, and go to B flat major 7. Okay, it sounds jazzy. Okay. Okay, so that is your major 7th chord. Minor 7th chord, how you can hold it. And you can apply that in other the keys you know on the fretboard. It still sounds the same and all working just the same. Just an example of how you can know how to use your minor 7th chord. Okay.